Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and securing your data. Check your Mac model and free up at least 20 to 30 GB. Make a time machine backup or bootable clone so you can recover. Once done, sign in to your Apple ID and temporarily disable File Vault if the installer box. Open System Settings, go to General Software Update, and click Upgrade to start downloading Mac OS 13. This initiates verification and prep automatically while you wait. You continue by watching the download and letting Mac OS verify the package. Do not let the Mac sleep or lose power during this step. If you prefer a clean install or need multiple machines, create a bootable USB using the Create Install Media Terminal command, make a 16 GB drive and follow prompts. Also, make sure to free another 10 to 15 GB, disconnect non-essential peripherals, and note third-party kernel extensions that may need updates before the upgrade proceeds. You run the installer and follow the prompts. Expect 1 or 2 restarts while Mac OS migrates data and completes setup. Once finished, update apps via the App Store, review system settings for privacy and security changes, and re-enable File Vault if you turned it off. If the installer fails or the Mac stalls, restart into Mac OS recovery. Use Reinstall Mac OS or Restore from your Time Machine backup. This one troubleshooting tip usually recovers systems without losing your backed up data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.